Though, don't you think?
Yeah, lovely.
There's not a babies a piece before she... I hardly see her eat at all, actually. But... You've got a bit each. You didn't have some? Oh, you've got a really big bit. No, she's got that one. He said that one. Have that one then. Let's put my finger with it now. There's a great big piece over here. Sorry, am I in your way?
No, don't worry.
Bit big. They're cute. You sweetheart. Oh, you ate that bit. I saw you sneak that piece down. She couldn't resist it, could she? Go on, try that one. That's a bit small. I'm not that brave to hold on to that. That's enough. Never enough, she says. You can have a piece. You're funny, she won't eat it, will she? Breaks. It was all over the place. Hey, that's my thumb, that one was.
Amazing.
Is she going to eat one? No. Have one yourself. They can't eat all that. Look, she won't eat it.
No.
She's trying to break it up for them, isn't she? Just amazes me. I can watch them forever doing that.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's good. That's too big for them, wasn't it? That one's not. Yeah. That one? She doesn't eat much herself, does she? No,
She's big, isn't she? She must eat something.
My thumb. Oh, you didn't. She's very gentle, isn't she?
Yeah.
How much more do you think they need, really? You don't know. She tries to break it up into pieces.